birthday, Charlie.
Mamaya nga yan. Birthday, Charlie. Isa pa nga. Birthday, Charlie. More TikTok ko pa. Happy birthday to you, Charlie.
Happy birthday to you and to your family. Happy birthday.
HBD, Charlie. Happy birthday.
Ay, isa pa ulit.
HBD, Charlie. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Coach.
Happy birthday po. Idagdag.
May walang Charlie.
Happy birthday, Charlie, with that.
Happy birthday, brother Charlie. I wish you all the best and a happy new year. Happy birthday, Charlie. Happy birthday, Charlie.
Hi Charlie, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Charlie.
Happy birthday Charlie. Ikaw ang pinakamagaling mag-edit sa buong mundo. Sayang, hindi natuloy yung cheer dance. Ikaw pa naman ang pinakamagaling. Tapos, sana magtagal pa kayo ni Camille. Thank you sa kanya kasi nabuo yung araw mo. And para sa ito lahat. Happy birthday. Yun lang.
Hi, Charlie! Naririnig mo ba ako? Malamang, nakamike ako eh. Hi, Charlie! Happy birthday to you! Sobrang OA. Ayun, happy birthday. Birthday? Sobrang OA. Ayun, ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay good health. Kasi kita ko lagi, gabi ka na umuwi. Galing training. Yeah. Training sa school, training sa plaza. Sa Parabang. Ang dami niyo. Eme lang. Ayun. Proud na proud ako sa mga achievement mo sa buhay. Sa talent mo, napakahusay. Ikaw na, the best ka. Kaya kamilbag mo ng pakawalan yan si Sir. Okay, na para bang ikaw ang magdidikta sa relasyon nila. Hindi. Pubusin ako kausap ko dito. Yan. Happy birthday, Charlie. Your birthday is to come. Ano ba? Ano ba kinausap ka lang yung sarili ko dito? Yan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yan. Yun. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung talento mo na napakagaling, napakahusay, na wala akong masabi. Wala masabi na mga sinabi. Yun. Kung hindi ako pawisan ha, naligo ako. Para lang bumati sa'yo, Charlie, naligo ako. Okay. Yeah. Happy birthday. You're the best, Charlie. Alam mo, proud na proud ako sa'yo. Sa lahat. Ay, lang. Yun, basta yun. Alam mo na yun, Charlie. Love na love ka ni Ate Payra mo. Love you.
Ayun, happy birthday sa'yo, man. Happy birthday sa'yo, dati. Ringin ka palagi. And wish ko sana mas marami ka pang blessing na matanggap ngayong taon. Lalo na't birthday mo ngayon. And wish ko sana magdire-diretso yung success na natatanggap mo. And good luck sa journey mo na tatahakin. Enjoy mo lang yung araw na to. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Charlie, happy birthday. Thank you for being the genuine person that you are, and I know you will go a long way since you're very talented and you're very hardworking. So keep on going, keep grinding, and also most importantly, keep on dancing. And happy birthday again, and enjoy your day.
Hi Charlie, happiest birthday. And ang wish ko lang sa'yo is make sure to enjoy this day. And di ba napakadami ng passion sa buhay, like editor ka na, dancer, photographer, tapos videographer, like lahat na. So keep those passion doon ninyo kasi blessing yan eh, lahat ng talent na meron ka. So yun lang, God bless and happiest birthday.
Hi Charlie, happy birthday. I am so happy to see you doing what you love and excelling in dancing. I am so grateful for the chance to dance with you and for always helping me during those times whenever the steps get hard. And I am wishing you more success in your dancing career and in your academics. I hope to see you soon and God bless. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hello Charlie, happy birthday to you. I hope that you'll enjoy this very special day of yours. And you're such a sunshine to everyone, and I hope that everybody who surrounds you will always remember that. Keep the passion within you dun sa mga hilig mo. Sa pagsasayaw, sa pag-edit, sa paggawa ng short film. I hope that you reach your dreams and become successful someday. I wish you good luck, not just sa mga ginagawa mo outside the university, but of course sa school din. Kudos to Camille for making effort to gather the video greetings and edit the video greetings for you to make your day extra more special. Extra na more pa. So, yun lang. I hope that you'll enjoy your day and you have a blast and stay strong sa inyo ni Camille.
Yun. Happy birthday sa'yo, Charlie Luna. Mula sa iyong kaibigan na si Van Gogh. At gusto ko lang sabihin na lumaki ka sa kung gusto mo at kung paano mo pinangarap. At yun lang. At sana ay maging mabuti ka para sa lahat at sa iyong sarili. Huwag kalimutang magpahinga dahil lahat ng ginagawa mo ay makabuluhan at proud ako sa'yo. At yun lang. Happy birthday sa'yo. Alright? Alright. At hindi pa pala tapos. Sana ay makamit mo lahat ng pangarap mo at mabidyohan mo ang mga gusto mo. More power to you. Alright.
Yo, what up? Charlie. Happy birthday sa'yo. Message ko lang is continue inspiring people with your passion and talent sa pagsasayaw. And galing mo kasi magdala ng energy sa stage and kitang-kita kung gaano mo kamahal yung ginagawa mo. So, keep chasing your dreams, keep shining and never stop dancing. Proud ako sa'yo. Peace out, bro.